Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we're 3D printing Harry Potter's wand and a Gryffindor themed wand holder. Let's check it out. Now, I've been rewatching a lot of movies and TV shows lately, and recently I rewatched all of the Harry Potter movies. And rewatching those made me really want to print something Harry Potter themed, and what's more Harry Potter themed than Harry Potter's wand? Now, as cool as a wand is, it's just kind of plain, just sitting there on its own. So I knew printing a wand holder along with it would be pretty awesome. So Harry Potter's wand definitely needed a Gryffindor themed wand holder. Now that I've talked a bit about the backstory of the print, let's check out the print in a bit more detail. Both of these models were found on Thingiverse and printed in some Bahama Blue PLA and some white PLA from Ziltech. I'll be sure to include the links to both down below. I'm happy with how both of these prints turned out, and we'll definitely do some post-processing and some painting to make these pieces worthy of display. How about you guys? What's your favorite Harry Potter movie? Let me know in the comments down below. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.